Hey, what's up everybody? I just want to take a really short video. I'm going to show you how to convert your old fluorescent lights to LEDs. So if you look here, this is my attached garage. I got fluorescent light here, there, and over there, and I already converted two of them to these fluorescent bulbs. Bulbs I have T8 tubes, right? These are just some things from China, cheap China. And the wiring diagram. I've done a couple of these, and I found these to be the easiest. All you need is load and neutral on one side of the bulb, and the other side doesn't even use it. So let me show you the bulb. So on the bulb, it shows right here, input, right? You got load and neutral. And it's just got the other two pins, and there's two pins on the other side. These two pins don't have to have power on it at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take down this light, and I'll show you the wiring. It's real easy. And I just left the ballast. Like, I converted these over here. I left the ballast and a bunch of wires in there, but I cut all the wires to the ballast. So there's no power going to the ballast anymore. The ballast on this one was shot. These have been up here for probably 10 years, these lights. And you can see the bulbs out there, bulbs out there. And that one over there is still pretty good, but I'm not going to replace them with new fluorescent bulbs. I'm going to put the LEDs in there. So let me show you what I got to do. You can see I already have the ladder. I'm going to go up there and unplug it and pull the whole unit down and do the wiring. All right. Ladder. Plug it. Okay. So take these bulbs out. This bulb out. So 2 screws. Now when I originally put these up, there was no such thing as LED bulbs. So what I did, I bought a whole bunch of these bulbs. I just never installed them. These here, the plastic seems like it's coming off. I just run my hand here and just make sure that this plastic is inside the silver piece. Anyway. Okay, so you see here, this is the other end. This end isn't going to be used. You need the end that has the power. So here's all of the wires to the, here's the ballast. Here's the wires of the ballast. Just snipping them. And then really the only ones you need are these red and blue. So I try to snip them as close to the ballast as I can. Alright, so now I got to strip these, and my good stripping tool is in the other shop, so don't try getting it. Now on the bulb, like I said, it has L and N, right? So it's going to sit like this, and what I've been doing is just putting the load aside, which is, I'm using black, on the far side. So this blue and this red go together. Oh, take this. I'm even using the existing wire nuts. put this, I spin this wire nut on here to get these things twisted together. I can probably twist these two together also. Let's wait a minute. Here's this black wire garbage. Okay, and this extra plate here. Take this, put this on here. Okay, that one's done. This is why they're twisting together. And these two go together. Take this wire off. Let's snip this white wire over here. Actually, I'm going to snip it all the way down so it doesn't fall. This, twist these two together, untwist it. Looks like it's a little bit too long. I'm going to cut it. Take these, twist all these together. Okay. Now, put the cover back on. Now put the bulb in. I'll do one more. Just clean it off, get all dirty, static. So now I have, right, the side with the loads and stuff, right? Put it in here, in here. Right. Get one more bulb. Now, like I said, the plastic comes out of the silver. I should probably hear it going. Okay. Find the load side, that's this side. This side is the power. Alright, now I'm going to plug it in. Here's the cord. Voila. Alright, now just go hang it back up. Alright, hang up. I'm going to take this end, put it closer to the plug this time because and that's it. It's like a, I don't know, 5-minute job or something. It's not that, wasn't that difficult. These are the, like I said, these are the easiest bulbs I've used. I got them on eBay. Okay, there you have it. That's getting the LEDs in your old fluorescent tubes. I don't know what the model number is on these or anything. I would just make sure if you go buy them, get ones that have the power on the one side, and then this way it's so much easier to hook up. All right, well, thanks guys. Keep watching. Thanks. Have a great day.